In this video, we're going to learn what makes a prediction testable. The desired outcome is that you should be able to write your own testable prediction. Not all hypotheses are created equal. For a hypothesis to be useful, it must generate a prediction. That is, it must suggest that under certain conditions, we will be able to observe certain outcomes. Let's put it another way. A good hypothesis helps us make predictions about novel situations. This is a powerful feature of a good hypothesis. It guides us to knowledge about new situations. Now, all of this is rather abstract, so let's try to get a little more concrete with the three hypotheses that we have been considering in the last couple of video lessons. Well, keep in mind, though, that when you don't understand some aspect of the world, any one of several possible explanations could be true. So in devising a testable prediction from a hypothesis, the goal is to propose a situation that will give a particular outcome if your hypothesis is in fact true, but will give a different outcome if your hypothesis is not true. So our hypothesis, that is, eyewitness testimony is always accurate, might lead us to a prediction that individuals who have witnessed a crime will correctly identify the criminal regardless of whether multiple suspects are presented one at a time or all at the same time in a lineup. That seems like a very long prediction, but this is a good testable prediction because if our hypothesis is true, then our prediction will always be true. On the other hand, if one method of presenting suspects consistently causes incorrect identification of the criminal, then our hypothesis can't be true and must be revised or discarded. Our other hypothesis is the one about echinacea, and it states that echinacea reduces the duration and severity of the symptoms of the common cold. So we could write a prediction like this. If echinacea reduces the duration and severity of the symptoms of the common cold, then individuals taking echinacea should get a cold less frequently than those not taking it. And when they do get sick, their illness should not last as long. Our third hypothesis states that hair that is shaved grows back coarser and darker. A good testable prediction for that might be something like this. If shaving leads to coarser, darker hair growing back, then if individuals shaved one leg or eyebrow only, the hair that regrows should become darker and coarser than the hair on the other leg or eyebrow. As you begin to think scientifically, you will find yourself making a lot of if-then types of statements, like, if that is true, referring to some hypothesis or assertion someone makes, or perhaps a claim made by the manufacturer of a new health product, then I would expect ... So this is proposing your own prediction about a related situation. And once you've made a testable prediction, of course, the next step is going to be to go ahead and test it.